Hey guys, so we're gonna do the giveaway winner first, and I also have an unboxing to do. So all your names are in this jar of everyone who commented and subscribed. Thank you all so very much. I did not expect to have that many subscribers in such a short amount of time, but so all your names are written in the jar. We're gonna pick one. So the winner of our giveaway is Kathy Spencer. I don't know if they'll focus for me. But Kathy Spencer, go ahead and direct message me so I can get that giveaway out to you. Congratulations, and thank you all again so much for subscribing and watching my videos. It definitely is more than I expected it to be within the first month of me starting this. So this unboxing, I don't know where it was purchased. I know it was purchased off of AliExpress. I don't know what store. I'm part of a group on Facebook where they have you get paired up with somebody and you buy them a painting. Somebody else buys you a painting. And there's a theme for each month. So this month I decided to join that. The theme was rainbow. So I ordered a rainbow fairy for somebody else. She has not received it yet. And I got this one, which I did open it and check the canvas for the picture, just so I could comment on that picture that I had received it, so that they knew. So this is actually a Tinkerbell, which I'm totally in love with, and it's been on my wish list, but I have not purchased it myself. So, and I don't know how big it is. Okay, it's 40 by 55. Okay, here's the kit. The white funnel boat, pen, tweezers, so it's square, wax. Alright, a lot of white in this, off-white. I'm so excited about this one. I love it. So this is the image. And it says, believe in fairies. It says, I do, I do. I have not actually seen this one, so I'm actually super excited about it. And it's a 40 by 55. How many off-whites are there? 25 bags. 77 bags of 38.65. This off-white. I'm all in the light now. How many colors are there? There's 29 colors. There's some blues, mainly pinks, some grays. Ooh, there's some lavender purples. So that's exciting. There's 310 in this. No 310s. So that's cool. Not that I don't dislike 310. I just have a lot with a lot of them in it. Alright, let's check out this canvas. Oh, it's a nice size. I'm so excited about this. Let me keep this on the side so I don't lose it. Alrighty. So let's check this canvas out. And it's split into two. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Really? This one's going to be hard to read, for me anyway. Let's see. It'd be easier just to move you. It's gonna be so pretty. I was worried about the letters, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna be able to see it. And then there's the, I mean, it's clear, but because it's so white, I'm definitely gonna need my light pad for this one. But I don't see any bubbles, or it's very sticky. No wrinkles. Usually with the ones that are just rolled in the box, not rolled around anything, I usually have bubbles in them. But that doesn't seem to be the case with this one. I'll have to ask her where she bought it from. Believe in fairies. I love all things Disney, and I love Tinkerbell, so I'm going to enjoy doing this one. So there's that. And I should have some more coming in a couple days. And I also have a bunch of crafting supplies coming in. So I might do a haul video for you all. But congratulations to Kathy. Please message me within the next 24 hours. And I will get that giveaway out to you. We're going to do another giveaway at 300 subscribers. So look forward to that. And I will see you guys later. Enjoy.